Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 2 exercise problem number 2.28. While solving this problem, we will be using Kirchoff's voltage law. This law states that sum of supplied and dropped voltage across circuit elements in a closed loop is always equal to 0. According to this law, cumulative supplied and dropped voltage inside a closed loop is always 0. Now move towards the problem. Exercise problem number 2.28. Find voltage Vx and Vy in given below figure. This is the circuit diagram of given problem. We have to find voltage values Vy and Vx inside this circuit. If we observe, the only information that is provided inside this circuit is in the form of voltage. No other parameter is specified and it is asked to calculate voltage values as well. So we will use Kirchhoff's voltage law to solve this problem that is purely based on voltage. In this circuit, 12 volt is shown here. If we assume that these 12 volt is appearing across an element, then in this case we can form a closed loop which will include this path. And in this closed loop we have value of voltage across this voltage source and across this element as well. So we can find voltage across this resistance that is labeled as Vy. So first we will try to solve this imaginary closed loop to find voltage value Vy. In order to do that, we have to assume the direction of current inside this closed loop. I am assuming the direction of current clockwise. You may take counterclockwise as well. Now I will write Kirchhoff's voltage law equation for this closed loop. I will start from here. Current entering terminal is positive, so voltage 12 volt will be taken with positive sign. Move to next element. Current entering terminal is negative, so voltage across this voltage source will be taken with minus sign, minus 6 volt. Move to next element. Voltage across this resistive element is labeled as Vy and current entering terminal to this Vy is negative, so voltage Vy will be taken with minus sign. Now solve this equation to calculate voltage Vy. Subtract 6 from 12, it will become 6 volt. Now place this minus Vy on the other hand side of equal to make it positive and find its value, that will become 6 volt. So the value of Vy inside the circuit is 6 volt. Now same technique can be applied here to calculate voltage Vx, but for that purpose we should have voltage value across this resistance which we don't have. So first we will try to find voltage across this resistance. Later on we will apply closed loop terminology here to find voltage Vx. So in order to calculate voltage across this resistive element, we will adopt this closed loop path. First we have to identify the direction of current inside this closed loop circuit. I am taking it clockwise direction. Now we have to make polarity notation across this resistive element. So we will use passive sign convention theory. Current entering terminal will be taken with positive sign and current leaving terminal will be taken with negative sign. And label voltage across this resistive element as Vr. Now write its KVL equation. I will start from here. Current entering terminal is negative, so voltage across this voltage source will be taken with minus sign, minus 4 volt. Move to next voltage source. Current entering terminal is negative, so voltage of this voltage source will also be taken with minus sign, minus 6 volt. Move to next element. Current entering terminal is positive, so Vr will be taken with positive sign. Now add minus 6 volt and minus 4 volt, it will become minus 10 volt, and place this minus 10 volt on the other hand side of equal to calculate value of Vr, that will become 10 volt. Now we have voltage across this resistive element, so we can use this imaginary closed loop to find voltage across this resistance that is labeled as Vx. For that purpose, we will identify the direction of current inside this loop. I am taking clockwise direction and write KVL equation for this imaginary closed loop circuit. I will start from here. Current entering terminal is positive, so voltage Vx will be taken with positive sign. Move to next element. Current entering terminal is negative, so voltage across this resistive element, that is 10 volt, will be taken with minus sign, minus 10 volt. Move to next element. Current entering terminal is negative, so 12 volt will be taken with minus sign. Now add minus 12 and minus 10 together, it will become minus 22, and place this minus 22 on the other hand side of equal to calculate value of Vx, that will become 22 volt. So value of Vy inside this circuit is 6 volt and value of Vx is 22 volt. This was exercise problem number 2.28. Thank you. See you again in next video.